Now, today the first question is, let P be the image of the point this with respect to the plane this. That means the figure is something like this. This is a plane, that is x minus y plus z is equal to 3, and this is the point here. This is the point A, say 3 comma 1 comma 7, and P is the image of the point this with respect to plane. Then the equation of the plane passing through P, that means image is somewhere here, P point, and this image is passing through the equation of the plane passing through P, that means passing through P and containing the line, and it also contains this line, that is x by 1, y by 2, z by 1. Again you see that x comma 0, x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 0, that means this line is passing through origin 0 0 0. Now we have to find the equation of the plane, means this plane, and P is the image, means P is the image of this point P. So this point B, means this is acting like a mirror. So this is the acting like a mirror. So now here you see that this equation of this line AB, equation of the line AB, that will be, let this be x, y, z. So this will be x minus 3 by this directions ratio of this plane, because the directions ratio of this plane will be perpendicular, that means parallel to this line. So 1 is equal to y minus 1 equal to z minus 7 by 1 minus 1 and 1. So now here see, let this be k. So x will be equal to k plus 3, your y will be equal to minus k plus 1, your z will be equal to k plus 7. So these are the coordinates of this point B. At the same time, this point B lies in this plane, so it will satisfy this point. So we're putting the value of x, y, z in this plane. What x, y, z in this plane, what we are going to get? K plus 3 minus k plus 1 and plus k plus 7. So this is equal to 3. Now k plus 3 plus k minus 1 plus k plus 7 is equal to 3. This will be 3k and 3k 10, 9. So plus 9 will be equal to 3, and then 3k will be equal to how much? Minus 6. So your k will be minus 2. So we get the coordinates of this point B. We get the coordinates. So the coordinates of the point B, what will be the coordinates? Coordinates of point B. What will the coordinates of point B? So this will be minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 plus 3. So this will be 1, and minus k will minus plus. So plus 2 plus 1, 3, and again here minus k plus 7, that means 5. So this is the coordinate of this point B, 1, 3, 5. This is the coordinate of the point B. Now again, how to find the coordinate of point P? Because we know that the object distance is equal to image distance, so the ratio is 1:1. So I am going to apply the section formula. I am going to apply the section formula to find out the point P. So here this x will let this be alpha, beta and gamma. So x will be alpha plus 3 by 2. Your y will be 1 plus beta, 1 x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus 1 plus beta by 2, and your z will be 7 plus gamma by 2. Now we know the value of x, so 1, so this will be alpha plus 3 by 2, so 2 is equal to alpha plus 3, so here minus 1 will be equal to alpha. Again you see that here this is 3, so 3 into 2, 1 plus beta, 6 minus 1, 5 is equal to beta. And again z, this is 5, that is 7 plus gamma by 2, 10 minus 7 is equal to gamma, 3 is equal to gamma. So the coordinate of P will be how much? -1, 5 and 3. These are the coordinates of point B. Now these are the coordinates of point B. Again so here you see that let the direction ratios of this plane be A, B and C, which will be perpendicular to it. A, B and C be the directions ratios of this plane. So now this line is on this plane, so the product of this will be the direction ratios of this line, and the plane will be 0. So we are getting alpha plus 2 beta, 2b, not alpha, sorry, A, A, 2a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0. This is one equation. And second, that here we see that the equation of this plane will be ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Why? Because the plane passes through the origin, so D is 0. That is the main reason. And this point lie in this plane, so your equation will be, so now it will satisfy this point. So minus a plus 5b plus 3c will be equal to 0. This is equation 2. So now if we solve these two equations, we are going to get the directions ratios of this plane, and when we get the directions ratio of this plane, we get the equation of this plane. So we take the help of cross multiplication. So here a by and equal to b and equal to c. So here a, that is 2, 5 and 1, 3. For b it will be 1, 3, 1 minus 1, and for c it will be 1 minus 1 and 2, 5. Now if we calculate it, it comes out to be 6 minus 5, 1, minus 1 minus 3, that means minus 4, 5, and here this will be plus 5 minus plus 7, 5 plus 2, this will be 7. So this will be the equation, because A, this will be the answer. It is clear. Why? So the equation of this plane will be how much? A that is x, B is your minus 4y, and your C is how much? 7z is equal to 0. So this is your answer. So this is how we solve it. Here the only technique is that there is no any technique here. The only thing you have to know that when you study this line, that means the line is passing through the origin and it is in the plane, that means the plane is passing through the origin. So your D is 0. That is the only I find this. But everything is that it is clear. If you read the question clearly, you can easily, step by step, you can solve it. Because the first step I have done here, you see, first what I have done, I have found out the equation of this line. See here, where is the equation of this line? AB. First of all, I have found the equation of this line. See, AB. When I found the equation of this line, then what did I do? Because I have considered the coordinates x, y, z, so I found out the value of x, y, z, and as this B point lies in this plane, so it will satisfy it. So I placed it and find out the value of k. When I found out the value of k, I got the coordinates of point B. And when I got the coordinates of point B, by applying section formula, because object distance is equal to image distance, by applying section formula, I found out the coordinates of point P. These are the coordinates of point P. When I found out the coordinates of point P, then what I did here, that because this point, this lies in this plane, so it will satisfy it. So it is minus a plus 5b plus 3 is equal to 0. And the second equation, how I have created it, because I have considered the directions cosines of this plane as a, b and c and the line lying on this plane is this. So its directions ratio and this directions will be perpendicular. Taking the help of this, and then I solve these two equations. When I solve these two equations, I got the value of a, b and c, and when I put the value of a, b and c in this equation, I got the equation. So this is all about how to solve this question.